So, like, they just gotta be aware of this, cause so if you see this person on Roblox or in a game, you should, leave the game, cause they will either hack you, and, like, sometimes they'll delete your account. So, if you search it up, could you please, report them of hacking? Cause they've hacked quite a lot of people. Like, let me find this. Don't mind how many friends I got. So they've hacked this person. So if you could report that other person for me, I would appreciate it, because she's starting to hack loads of people now. Anyway, see ya.